So how should technical analysts approach the option market? Having a directional view is enough, or would you recommend to follow option Greeks and other data like open interest and put call ratio and whatever like that?
Okay, so there are a lot of tools that a technical analyst has, right? So it might not be necessary that you need a directional move on the upside or on the downside, as long as you have a view. So I'll tell you what is a view. Let's say there's a monetary policy, and you say,
Correct.
okay, I don't know what is going to happen, right? I'm not God. I don't know where it is moving, but I know for sure that if this comes, Bank Nifty will go up 500 points up, and if this doesn't come, Bank Nifty will go down by 500 points. Let's say that's your view. Now, in futures, how would you go and take that trade? It's not possible.
Not
you cannot buy and sell the same instrument, right? But you can go and trade the same thing in options. You can buy and sell you can buy both calls and puts at the same time. And if market has a different expectation, let's say market is not expecting 500 points move, and let's say if the pricing is 400, and if you're getting it at 400, you have an opportunity, right? So in the same way, when you look at the technical indicators, there are lots of indicators which will tell you, you might not be confident about which side the breakout will happen. It might be on the upside, it might be on the downside. Unless it happens, you don't know. But as a technical analyst, you know that there is a breakout about to happen.
Correct.
And right now, when we speak, this is one of the edge. So whenever you're trading, you need to have an edge, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
that's the edge that a technical analyst has over other studies, where you know that, okay, right now it is going to move somewhere, right? In technical analysis, using futures, you'll not be able to trade that. And this is the motivation why you should be coming to options, that you'll be able to trade this. The second motivation would be that, you know, if you are even trading directional, when you have, let's say, a strategy which is giving you a 2:1, 3:1 reward to risk, using options, you can amplify it. It's a natural leverage, right? And it's a non-linear leverage, which means that if things go up and if it goes in your favor, you can make more money. And when things goes against you, you lose less.
Yes.
Right? So why should you not be getting into an instrument like that? So I think when you go and combine technical analysis with the knowledge of options, it's something which can really help you enhance your reward to risk. And that's what, you know, is basically the agenda, that if you enhance the odds for you to make money, eventually, you know, you're there in the game, and that will reflect in your P&L.
Okay.